So are these XMCOZY solar lights worth it? Keep watching and I'm going to give you my review on these lights.
Clyde's checking it out. Hi, Clyde.
All right, so when you take this out of the box, you're going to see this little green tag. Now be careful when you're pulling this because the first one I pulled out, I ripped it and I had to take the battery out, which was no big deal. But these are really cool. They have a 20 lumen and 40 lumen. You can just switch it back and forth from cool white to warm white. And then when you put this cover on, and this is glass, this is really nice, just make sure you're screwing that on there so it gets on there tightly. Just put in that stake thing, we're ready to go. All right, so the first thing is I put these out there about 2 or 3 o'clock today, and these are my old ones you see at the very front, and you can tell that they're already lit up, so they didn't take that long to charge, and they are super, super bright. I really like these because look how much taller they are than my other ones that I had in there. And you can see from right to left, you're going from the cool, from the 20 cool to the 40 warm 20 and then warm 40 lumens. And then here you go. I really like these lights. I'm going to keep them. I'm going to put the old ones in the backyard. I just wish I would have got the 6-pack instead of the 4-pack because I do need 2 more lights right there by my sidewalk. I highly recommend this product for you guys. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can purchase these straight from Amazon. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.